Hello there, this is Tim with Truphae, and I'm happy to show you another new pen from Esterbrook, the Estie Sparkle Edition. Once again, this is not one, but 3 new sparkling pens. But what makes this pen sparkle? I'm glad you asked. Esterbrook has a commitment to collaborating with as many U.S. makers and partners as possible. One of those is Tim McKenzie of McKenzie Penworks in Charlotte, North Carolina. Using reclaimed diamond particles from diamond cutters, Tim figured out the precise size and method for combining them with Alumilite blanks, resulting in something truly spectacular. Esterbrook's partnership with Tim has given us these absolutely gorgeous, oversized Estie sparkling pens. Now let's talk about some of the features of these pens. The Estie Sparkle is available in Tanzanite, gold trim, garnet, gold trim, and Montana sapphire with palladium trim. These are limited quantity pens, so you may want to pause the video now and check Truphae's site for availability. I'll wait. This is a really balanced fountain pen with a complete range of nib sizes. The nib sizes are extra fine, fine, medium, and broad. And there is a 1.1 stub now available in rhodium trim, specially manufactured in Germany by Jowo. They have a blended and turned acrylic body with a high polished finish. A cushion cap closure provides a secondary seal to ensure a wet nib, and they are cartridge or ink converter pens. And they have a sleek palladium clip that provides a clean accent for the cap. The pens originally offered a very special journaler nib option fashioned by Gina Salarino, but I don't know if there are any of those still available. If you can find one, purchase it. It is a very special writing experience. As you can see, this diamond-infused Alumilite is stunning to behold. Every way you turn this pen, it sparkles. And the pen feels luxurious. It really does. The balance and weight characteristics are in Esterbrook's marketing, but I can tell you they are not exaggerating. The Estie Sparkle feels perfect in my hand, maybe even better than the standard Estie. I should mention that those with smaller hands may feel differently, and Esterbrook has the Estie and Estie Slim for you. But everyone should at least hold one of these pens to experience it for themselves. Esterbrook is famous for their interchangeable nibs, which give the owner many options for writing, whether in school, business, personal, or whatever. And today, a similar system is reborn with the Estie and the specially engineered MV nib adapter. Now, that adapter is sold separately. The MV adapter delivers a vintage nib experience with a modern-shaped Esterbrook pen. You can fit any vintage Esterbrook nib unit into this adapter and use it with your modern Estie fountain pen. So I wanted to give you a size comparison look. Here are the 3 oversized Estie Sparkle Edition pens right next to a standard Estie. In fact, 2 of them. And here is the Esterbrook Sparkle with another oversized Esterbrook pen. And now here are the 3 Esterbrook Sparkle Edition pens with an oversized Estie and a standard-sized Estie so that you can see how they line up. And just for fun, here is one of the Esterbrook oversized Sparkle Edition pens right next to one of the brand new Esterbrook EJRs. Now there's a size difference. I really cannot say enough about these new Esterbrook pens. You already know what a big Esterbrook fan I am, but the oversized pen for my hand is just the perfect combination of size, weight, and writing experience. And to add this diamond encrusted Alumilite blank is just perfect for me. And I suspect maybe for you too. The nibs are what you've come to expect. It's a beautiful writing experience. I know you're gonna love it. They're available currently on Truphae's website, so please check that out if you'd like to own one of these for yourself. Thank you again for the time you spend with me. It's always a pleasure. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and ring that bell so you'll know when we publish new videos. And also, remember to be Inkredible.